Turkey is still reeling from the massive earthquake on Friday. Rescuers are working non-stop to find any survivors. But the window is closing fast. On Monday, a lucky few were rescued from under the rubble, including a 3-year-old who spent 65 hours trapped in the wreckage. Our next report brings you the story of Turkey's miraculous survivors.
This is Izmir in Turkey. On Friday, a powerful earthquake ripped through the city. Dozens of buildings reduced to rubble. At least 79 people killed, more than 1,000 injured, and hundreds possibly buried beneath the wreckage. A massive rescue operation is currently underway. Survivors are being pulled out almost 70 hours after the quake. Some of them as young as 3 years old. This is the moment Elif Perinçek was rescued. She was with her mother and 3 siblings when her apartment came down. Rescuers found her amid the rubble 65 hours later. The man who rescued Elif says she did not let go of his finger until they reached the first aid tent. Another survivor, a 14-year-old girl, was pulled out after 58 hours. The rescue teams applauded as she was stretchered off to the hospital. 16-year-old Insi Okan is another survivor. Her dramatic rescue was captured on video.
Tamam, hiç korkma. Korkacağın hiçbir şey yok.
Elimi tutar mısın?
Ver, tabii ki tutarım. Tabii ki.
Çok korkuyorum.
Korkma. Korkmayınca, tamam mı?
Deneyeceğim.
Bak, birazdan dışarı çıkacağız seninle.
Bacaklarımı, ayaklarımı hissediyorum.
O ayakların üzerindeki o demiri kopartacağım.
Korkma, tamam mı?
Bana durdukça daha çok acıyor bacağım. Ne olur çıkarın beni artık.
Tamam. İnci bana bak. Bana bak. Ne zamandan beri keman çalıyorsun?
Okan is currently in hospital. She has promised to play violin for her rescuer. Ahmet Sitim is another survivor. He was rescued from the rubble after 33 hours. Ahmet's home was among the 20 residential buildings that collapsed in the quake. Many animals are also trapped in the rubble, like this rabbit, which was pulled out unharmed by rescuers, and this cat, which was brought to safety by firefighters. The earthquake has left hundreds homeless. Many of them have sought refuge at a temporary camp in the city. There are more than 3,000 tents and 13,000 beds here. Authorities have asked people not to enter damaged buildings, so it could be months before they can return home. These dramatic rescues are heartwarming, but the overall outlook is rather grim. More than 3 days have passed since the earthquake. With each hour, the chance of finding survivors diminishes. Bureau Report, WION, World is One. Co-presented by Skoda, simply clever.